Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will define ledger for CO version. So in this activity, we will assign GL ledgers to controlling versions. This means that the controlling will then read the actual data posting from the GL ledgers specified. So let's try here. Go to transaction code SIMG, press enter, go to financial accounting here. Financial accounting global settings, then ledgers here, integration of controlling with financial accounting, and click on define ledger for CO version here. Select the first one, standard one, and click on copy as icon. Assign your controlling area here. Mine is 7075. Then press enter. On the top you can see the assignment here. Click on save then. It will take some time to update the details. Click on continue. Okay. Now you can see on the top your details has been updated. So by this way you can define ledger for CO version in SAP. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.